recorder has on. Look at that, the answers of this question. First entry, I have to make it for the received application money. That entry will be bank account debit to share application account. Clear? Bank account debit to share application account. And here, how would you write the amount? 20,000 shares into application money 3. This will be 60,000. Clear? Now next entry will be for transfer of application money to share capital account. The entry will be share application account debit to share capital account. Clear? Share application account debit to share capital account. Same amount will be transferred here. That will be 60,000. So I have made 2 entry for application. Now coming to the allotment. In allotment, first entry we have to pass for dues. So due entry will be share allotment account debit to share capital account. And in this question, SPR is also included in allotment. Then I am writing here to SPR account. Clear? So what amount I am writing here? Look at that. The 20,000 shares into SPR, how much? The SPR was rupees 2. So I am writing here 2. And total of allotment money was 4. So here will be also 20,000 into 2. So 40,000 and 40,000, this will become total 80,000. Now this is the due entry. This is the due entry of allotment. Now coming to the received entry on allotment. The received entry of allotment is bank account debit to share allotment account. And you have to write the amount from top, which is written in allotment. That is 80,000. Got it? Clear? Now I am going to the final situation, that is the first call. Now in first call, both is included, arrear and advance both. So the first entry for first call, I am passing for due entry. So due entry for first call will be share first call account debit to share capital account. How much? Share was 20,000 into first call money value is rupees 2. So it will be 40,000. Now coming to the main entry, that is received entry. In received entry, what I have to pass? Look at that. The bank account debit arrear account debit arrear account debit to share first call and 2 calls in advance account. Clear? In this entry, both is included, arrear and also advance. Clear? So what is advance about in this question? About 300 shareholders, है ना, who has paid the entire balance. So it means that 300 will be in advance into entire balance means what was in फाइनल कॉल. फाइनल कॉल में कितना रुपया बचा, देखिए यहां पे कैलकुलेशन करके बता रहा हूं आपको. 3 हो गया एप्लीकेशन, 2 रुपीज हो गया अलॉटमेंट एंड 2 हो गया प्रीमियम इसमें. फिर 2 रुपीज हो गया फर्स्ट कॉल, 3 2 5 और 2 7, तो फाइनल कितना बचा 3 फाइनल. तो ये जो 3 रुपीज है ये एडवांस पेमेंट कर दिया जा रहा है. तो 300 इंटू 3 फाइनल कॉल वाला फर्स्ट कॉल में पेमेंट कर दिया जा रहा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एडवांस. क्लियर? दैट इज कॉल्ड एडवांस. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर 300 इंटू 3, दैट इज 900 एडवांस. एंड इन फर्स्ट कॉल फ्रॉम टॉप इट विल कम 40,000. Now arrear how much? 1000 शेयर होल्डर्स. क्या नहीं पेमेंट किया? फर्स्ट कॉल नहीं पेमेंट किया. इट मीन्स 2000. नाउ what will be here? 40,900 minus 2000, 38,100, 38,900. Clear? This is the entry of first call received, 38,900. Clear everyone? Now I am showing here that what will be the cash book and balance sheet. Look at that, I am showing the cash book here. What you have to do in cash book? You have to put it all the amount of bank. First one is bank, second one is bank, and third one is bank. That is called cash book. Look at here, cash book. It is debit amount, it is credit amount. Ledger format you have to make here. Clear? And what you have to write? Bank is debited here, so you have to write to share application. And what amount you have to write? What is written in bank? That is 60,000. Second bank is here to share allotment, and amount is 80,000. So I am writing 80,000. Now last bank is to share first call, and amount in bank is 38,900. This is the total of cash at bank. 8 से 14 और 3 17, 1,78,900. इधर हो जाएगा बाई CD 1,78,900. Clear? Got it everyone? Got it? First, what I have written? for receiving of application money, that is on 20,000 and application money value was 3, that is 60,000. Second, share application to share capital, transferring of application money to share capital. Third, allotment money dues, including premium. So I have retained 20,000 into 2 premium and 20,000 into 2 allotment value, 40 plus 40, 80,000. And then the received entry of allotment, bank account debit to share allotment account, same amount will be put in here, 80,000. Now last, first call, share first call account debit to share capital account dues entry, 20,000 into first call value was 2, so it is 40,000. And now I am receiving here both part is included, arrear and advance is also included. So arrear I have debited for how much? 1,000 into first call value, and advance I have credited for how much? 300 shares into final call value, that is 3 rupees, which I have written here, 900. Now 40,900 minus 2,000, 38,900. These are the entries of question number 18. Now look at that, I have made cash book. In cash book, what I am doing, simply you have to make a format of ledger and you have to transfer all the bank entries in this, to share application, to share allotment, to share first call, and then total become your cash at bank. Got it? 1,78,900. Now I am showing here the balance sheet. Look at that, how to prepare balance sheet of this question. Clear? So look at that, the balance sheet I am putting here. What you have to do in balance sheet, simple, the format which you know very well. And main part is what? Main part is notes to account. So look at that, I am doing here notes to account. In notes to account, first you have to write what? Share capital. In share capital, first one you have to write authorized capital. Authorized capital is given in the question. Second, you have to write issued capital. Issued capital is also given 20,000 shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. That is 2 lakh. You have to close here. Now third you have to do here subscribed capital. In subscribed capital, here is included arrear. So this comes under both heading. Here you have to write fully paid up, and here you have to write not fully. Clear? Then in not fully, what you have to write? You have to write about the share which have not received. that is 1000 shares. For 1000 shares, you are asking for rupees 10, that is 10,000, but for 1000 shares, it has not paid. How much? 2 on first call and 3 on final call. It will be rupees 5. It means this will be 5,000. Now